Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to our channel and this is June 2021 and I am proudly say that this is the 13th video of the all important day since series. Hope you are liking it and appreciating our effort. Okay, then we are starting with our June 2021 series. Let's start with 3rd June. On 3rd June, we have celebrated World Bicycle. The day was declared by the United Nations General Assembly in April 2018. On 4th June, we have celebrated International Day of Innocent Children Victim of Aggression. On August 1982, during an emergency session on the question of Palestine, the UN General Assembly appalled at the amount of innocent Palestine and Lebanese child victims of Israel act of aggression, decided to commemorate 4th June as the International Day of Innocent Children Victim of Aggression. On 5th June, we have celebrated World Environmental Day. This year theme is reimagine, recreate, restore. Also on 5th June, we have celebrated International Day for the fight against illegal, unreported and unregulated fishing. According to the UN Food and Agriculture Organization, these illegal activities are responsible for the loss of 11 to 26 million tons of fish each year. On 6th June, we have celebrated World Pest Day. The first World Pest Day was celebrated in 2017 and this day was first initiated by the Chinese Pest Control Organization. 6th June also we have celebrated UN Russian Language Day. It is one of the 6th official language used by the United Nations throughout the organization. This day was established by the UNESCO in 2010. This day also celebrated the birth anniversary of Alexander Pushkin, a Russian poet who is considered as the father of modern Russian language. 7th June we have celebrated World Food Safety Day. This year theme is Safe Food Today for Healthy Tomorrow. 8th June we have celebrated World Oceans Day. This year theme is the oceans, life and livelihood. 9th June we have celebrated World Accreditation Day. This year theme is accreditation supporting the implementation of the Sustainable Development Goal. 12th June we have celebrated World Day Against Child Labor. This year theme is Act Now, End Child Labor. On 13th June we have celebrated International Albinism Awareness Day. This year theme is Strength Beyond All Odds. 14th June we have celebrated World Blood Donor Day. In 2021, the World Blood Donor Day slogan will be Give blood and keep the world beating. The host country for the World Blood Donor Day for this year is Rome, Italy. 15th June we have celebrated World Elder Abuse Awareness Day. This day was officially recognized by UN General Assembly on 2011. This day is celebrated to raise voice for the elderly who are abused and victimized. 15th June also we have celebrated Global Wine Day. Global Wine Day was first observed on 2007. Later it renamed as Global Wine Day in 2009. This day is organized by Wine Europe, the Global Wine Energy Council. 16th June we have celebrated International Day of Family Remittance. This day first celebrated 2015. 17th June we have celebrated World Day of Combat Desertification and Drought. This year theme is Restoration, Land, Recovery. We build back better with healthy land. 18th June we have celebrated Autistic Pride Day. Autistic Pride Day was celebrated in Brazil 2005. This day is represented by rainbow infinity symbol which denotes the infinity possibilities that autistic people have. 18th June we have celebrated Sustainable Gastronomy Day. This day was designed by UN General Assembly on 21 December 2016. Gastronomy means the practice of art, choosing, cooking, and eating the good food. In other words, sustainable gastronomy means where ingredients are from, how the foods is grown, how it get out of market, and eventually to our plate. 19th June we have celebrated National Reading Day. The Central Board of Secondary Education, which is CBSE, celebrated National Reading Day in every year on 19th June. On 20th June we have celebrated World Refuse Day. This year theme is Together We Heal, Learn and Shine. On 21st June we have celebrated International Yoga Day. This year theme is Yoga for Well-being. Also on 21st June we have celebrated World Music Day. World Music Day was founded by France Minister of Culture. Name is Jacques Lang. He is French composer, music journalist, radio producer, Maurice Fleuret on the day of summer solstice in Paris in 1982. 21st June also celebrated as the International Day of Solstice. World Hydrography Day we have celebrated on 21st June. This year theme is 100 years of international cooperation in hydrography. On 21st June also we have celebrated World Humanity Day. This day had been organized by the International Humanist and Ethical Union, that is IHEU, since 1980. 23rd June we have celebrated International Olympic Day. This year theme is stay healthy, stay strong, stay active with the Olympic Day workout on 23rd June. This day based on 3 pillars: move, learn and discover. Also we have celebrated International Widow Day. International Widow Day was initiated by the Lumba Foundation in 2005. United Nations Public Service Day, which is celebrated on 23rd June. This year theme is Innovation, the Future Public Service, New Government Model for a New Era to reach the SDGs. World Vitiligo Day was celebrated 25th June. The first World Vitiligo Day was observed in 25th June 2011. Vitiligo is a skin disorder leading to loss of color in the skin, creating a variety of patterns on the skin from loss of pigment. On 25th June we have also celebrated Seafarer Day. This year theme is Seafarer at the core of shipping future. 2021 marks as a 11th anniversary of this day. 26th June also we have celebrated International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. This year theme is Share Fact and Talk, Share Lives. 27th June also we have celebrated Micro, Small, Medium Size Enterprises Day, that is MSME. This year theme is Key to Inclusive and Sustainable Recovery. International Day of the Tropics observed on 29th June. On 29th June also we have celebrated National Statistics Day. This day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Professor P.C. Mahalanobis. This day was first celebrated on 29 June 2007. This year theme is End Hunger, Achieve Food Security and Improve Nutrition and Promote Sustainable Agriculture. On 30th June we have celebrated the International Day of Parliamentarism. This day is established 2018 throughout the United General Assembly resolution. 30th June we have celebrated International Asteroid Day. This day is celebrated to raise public awareness about the asteroid impact hazards. This is all from June 21 important dates. Hope I have covered all this day for your better knowledge. Hope you are liking this video, and thanks for watching, and please suggest if any improvement is required. Also suggest if any other kind of video you want to see, and I will make this video. Thank you.